In Iberia Parish, one man is seeking justice after spending more than a decade in and out of courtrooms and 2 of those years in jail for a case that was just recently dismissed. KATC's Anna Fisher has more details on how that unfolded.
Michael spent 2 years in jail for a crime he did not commit and a crime he's never been convicted of.
10 years ago, a New Iberia man named Michael Augustine shot and killed another man named Uriah Joseph. According to Michael's attorney, Todd Clemens, Michael acted in self-defense.
He was confronted, he was threatened, and at that point, Michael felt like he had no recourse but to defend himself, and he used lethal force, as we have a right to do in the state of Louisiana.
Todd Clemens has been practicing law for over 30 years. According to him, Louisiana's stand your ground law means this.
If you're in a place where you have a lawful right to be, and someone threatens you, and you're in fear, a reasonable fear of death or great bodily harm to yourself or to someone else, you have a right to use lethal force in your defense.
On March 21st, 2014, Michael was arrested for second-degree murder. His bond was set at $1 million.
Unfortunately, too often in Louisiana, judges set extremely high bonds on citizens who are presumed by the Constitution to be innocent. And it's like we punish people before they're ever convicted. And that's what happened in Michael's case.
From 2014 to 2016, Michael spent time in various parish jails without conviction.
That's 2 years of his life he can't get back. And the reason he spent 2 years in jail is because many judges set excessive bonds.
Almost exactly 2 years after the shooting, Clemens filed a motion for speedy trial, and Michael was released without bond. But his fight was far from over. According to 16th Judicial District Attorney Bo Dewey, the courts completely shut down during the pandemic.
COVID probably, 2 to 3 years is where it kind of pushed things back. On a non-COVID environment, it takes about 2.5 to 3.5 years for one murder trial to get in a position to try. But no, that is very unusual, and it's unfortunate.
On October 25th, 2023, nearly 10 years after his initial arrest, Michael's case was finally dismissed.
He's living his life to knowing that he was put in a position where he had to kill another man. And that's not a pleasant thought. And that's not something we take joy in. But I think it's imperative for people to know that if you're defending yourself and if that's what happens to you, that in Louisiana, you have a defense for you. And I think that's what's very, very important.
I've been in communication with the mother of Uriah Joseph, the man who lost his life. We're working on speaking with her to hear her thoughts on the incident 10 years later. In New Iberia, Anna Fisher, KATC TV3.